Welcome to Sage Souls, the place where we delve deep into the mysteries of our universe and beyond. Today, we're about to embark on a fascinating journey. A journey that will push the boundaries of your imagination and challenge the very nature of your reality. We're going to explore a concept that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction novel, but is actually a serious proposition by some of the world's leading physicists and cosmologists. We're talking about the multiverse, a place where infinite realities exist, where you could be living a completely different life, where dinosaurs might still roam the earth, and where the laws of physics as we know them could be completely non-existent. This is not just a fantastical idea, but a theory that could answer some of the biggest questions we have about our existence. So buckle up and get ready for a mind-bending journey through the multiverse. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Let's dive in. Imagine a universe where you are a world-renowned scientist, or perhaps a universe where dinosaurs never went extinct. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, welcome to the enigma of multiverses. Picture this: an infinite number of universes, each one a separate bubble of reality, where the laws of physics, the passage of time, and even life itself could be fundamentally different from what we know. This isn't just a scene from a sci-fi movie, but a serious proposition from some of the brightest minds in cosmology and quantum physics. You see, the multiverse theory suggests that our universe, with its galaxies, stars, and planets, is just one in an endless ocean of other universes. And within these universes, there could be different versions of us, living out entirely different lives. It's a concept that stretches our understanding of reality to its limits and beyond. But this isn't just an idle fantasy. The multiverse theory has its roots in quantum physics, the science of the very small, where particles can exist in many places at once, and the future is only a set of probabilities. If these strange rules apply to particles, why not to entire universes? And here's where it gets even more intriguing. If the multiverse theory is correct, it could answer some of the biggest questions in science. Why is the universe so perfectly fine-tuned for life? Could there be universes where the laws of physics are so different, life as we know it couldn't exist? Or could there be universes where life has evolved in ways we can't even imagine? The concept of multiverses is mind-boggling, but it's a theory that's gaining traction in scientific circles. It's a theory that challenges our understanding of reality and the very nature of existence itself. But how did we get to this extraordinary idea of multiverses? Let's delve into the history. The multiverse theory didn't just pop up out of nowhere. It's a result of several groundbreaking discoveries in the field of physics. Now let's take a step back in time to the early 20th century, when the weird and wonderful world of quantum mechanics was first unveiled. The bizarre behaviors of subatomic particles baffled scientists. They found that these particles could be in multiple places at once, and their properties only became fixed when they were observed. This was a stark departure from the predictable, clockwork universe of classical physics. Enter the Copenhagen interpretation, the first major interpretation of quantum mechanics. It suggested that these particles exist in all their possible states at once, but when we observe them, they collapse into one state. It was a mind-bending concept, but it was the best explanation scientists had. Yet it left a profound question unanswered. What happens to all the other states that the particle could have collapsed into? This is where a young doctoral student named Hugh Everett III comes into the picture. In the mid-1950s, Everett proposed an audacious answer to this question. He suggested that for each possible outcome of a quantum event, the universe splits into multiple versions. This is known as the many worlds interpretation. Each world represents a different possible state that the particle could have collapsed into. So in one world, you might have decided to watch this video, while in another, you might be out for a walk. Everett's theory was met with skepticism at first. It seemed too fantastical, too outlandish. Yet as physicists delved deeper into the quantum world, they found that the many worlds interpretation was not only possible, but perhaps even likely. It opened the door to the concept of a multiverse, a vast collection of universes, each with its own reality. So we've seen how the theory came to be, but what does it really entail? The multiverse theory, as complex as it sounds, can be broken down into a few key concepts. First off, let's dive into the many worlds interpretation. Picture this: every decision you make, every action you take, creates a fork in the road of your life. Each fork leads to a different outcome, and each outcome exists in its own separate universe. This is the essence of the many worlds interpretation, which suggests that there are countless parallel universes where every possible scenario plays out. Now let's move on to quantum superposition. This is a principle that allows particles to be in multiple states at once. Think of a coin spinning in the air. Until it lands, it's both heads and tails at the same time. In the quantum world, particles can be spinning clockwise and counterclockwise simultaneously. They only choose a definite state when observed, which leads us to our next concept: quantum decoherence. Quantum decoherence is the process that transitions quantum systems from existing in multiple states to a single state. It's like when the spinning coin finally lands. It has to choose heads or tails. But what about the other possibility? According to the many worlds interpretation, another universe is created where the coin landed the other way. In this sense, quantum decoherence is the birth of new universes. These concepts might seem quite abstract, and that's because they are. But they are the building blocks of our understanding of the multiverse theory. They help us imagine a world, or rather worlds, that are vastly different from our own, where the laws of physics as we know them may not apply. So we've taken a quick tour of the multiverse theory, touching on the many worlds interpretation, quantum superposition, and quantum decoherence. These are complex concepts, but they provide a fascinating glimpse into the possibilities of our universe and the countless others that could exist alongside it. Now that we have a basic understanding of the multiverse theory, let's explore its implications. The existence of parallel universes could have profound implications on our understanding of reality. If the multiverse theory holds true, then it's possible that there are other versions of us living out entirely different realities. Imagine a universe where you pursued a different career or made different life choices. The theory suggests that for every choice we make, a universe exists where we made a different choice. This brings us to the debate about free will. Is it truly free if every choice we could possibly make is played out in some universe? This theory also challenges our perception of time. Instead of viewing time as linear, with a clear past, present, and future, we might have to consider it as a vast landscape of nows. In some parallel universe, your future self might already exist, and in another, your past self might just be starting their journey. Then there's the question of the nature of reality itself. If there are infinite universes, then what we perceive as reality could be just one of an infinite number of realities. It challenges our sense of uniqueness and importance in the grand scheme of things. Are we truly unique if there are countless versions of us? And are our actions significant if every possible outcome has already happened somewhere else? Of course, these implications are not without controversy. Some argue that the multiverse theory is untestable and unfalsifiable. Therefore, it cannot be considered a scientific theory. Others argue that it's a philosophical question rather than a scientific one. Despite these criticisms, the multiverse theory continues to captivate scientists and non-scientists alike. It's a theory that pushes the boundaries of our understanding and forces us to rethink our place in the cosmos. These implications certainly give us a lot to ponder on, don't they? So, what does the existence of parallel universes mean for us? In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, the multiverse theory presents a thrilling yet mind-boggling concept. It suggests not just one, but an infinite number of universes, each with its own reality, its own rules, and its own destiny. But what does this mean for us, ordinary beings dwelling on a tiny blue planet? From a philosophical perspective, the multiverse theory challenges our understanding of existence itself. If there are infinite versions of ourselves living out different realities, then what does it mean to be me? It's a thought that has intrigued philosophers and scientists alike, pushing us to question our individuality and the nature of consciousness. On a societal level, the multiverse theory could lead to profound shifts in our worldview. If we accept the existence of parallel universes, it could reshape our understanding of life, death, and the very fabric of reality. It could challenge our notions of fate and free will, and perhaps even redefine our perception of morality. In terms of technological advancements, imagine the possibilities. What if we could harness the power of quantum mechanics to leap between universes? It may sound like science fiction today, but who knows what the future holds? We've already made leaps and bounds in quantum physics. so perhaps inter-universe travel isn't as far-fetched as it seems. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's important to remember that the multiverse theory, while fascinating, is still just a theory. It's a testament to our limitless curiosity, our insatiable hunger for knowledge, and our relentless pursuit of understanding the universe we inhabit. Could there be a universe where you are not watching this video, but instead making it? What would that universe look like? And how different or similar would it be to ours? Thank you for joining us on this mind-bending journey through the multiverse. As we reach the end of this journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer wonder and complexity of the cosmos. The multiverse theory, while still a theory, serves as a humbling reminder of our place in the grand scheme of things. It challenges us to question, to explore, and to marvel at the mysteries of the universe. So keep questioning, keep exploring, and who knows? One day, we might just stumble upon a portal to another universe. Until then, stay saged and keep unraveling the mysteries of the universe with us.